Call me Oprah, okay? She got money, I like that. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with Kinkin's debit card. Now before I get into the quick install, the specs and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, we have the brand new Sensational Curls Kinks & Co. wide part Kinky Chic Bob in 12 inches. I got the color number 2. Let me show y'all. Okay, got the color number 2. That's how she's looking on the card. Okay, very pretty. Let's go ahead and take her out the pack. This is what the hairline is looking like. They didn't do too much. I like that. Part and space, is that right side? That's left. Truth is, I'm tired. Well, guess that's the end of this install. I'm gonna do it. Oh gosh. So it is a left side wide part. It has a comb on each side of the part, and then it has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I'm hoping that I don't gotta do too much. This should be fairly simple because I don't think the edges they don't look that bad in my opinion. So hopefully we can just brush these back and go on about our business. First, let me tint my lace. Let me grab my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder Any Color Milk Chocolate and my brush. Here we go. Hopefully we can wear this glueless. I am shocked, sensational, shocked and appalled by this left side part. I should have known by the stock card, but I was clicking too fast, all right? Kenny's debit card was burning a hole in my pocket, so I had to use it immediately. That's what I get. Where's that band at? Oh wait, that's tight. What in the world? It loosens. I was about to say, golly. It is silky, but it's like a good mix of silky and yucky. You know, that'll give you the movement. That bump is real hard in there. Ooh, ooh. I don't know what my daggone scissors are, so we're gonna use what we have. Don't judge me. We're gonna use Big Bertha here and call it a day. That is so ghetto. Ooh, that came off like butter. Let me get my contour so I can blend this lace in. So I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. I'm gonna blend this lace right around the front here. Bring this down and bring this side down. Ooh, in my face. Take my foundation brush, blend that all together. I don't want it to be too dark. Put my glasses over top the lace like so. The part and space is open here, so I could pull some or pluck some out. So I'm gonna do that just to kind of open that up a bit. I wouldn't suggest doing this if you're a beginner. Use your tweezers. Watch the tutorial if you need to, okay? Okay, just a little bit in here. I want my part to kind of curve back like this. Take my clip out, kind of relax that bump. Oop, that is my kitchen. Let me not do that. Hold up, I need a little movement. All right, she looking healthy. Let me do a little powder in my parting space using the same milk chocolate powder right up in there. Could I do a flip over this way? Let's see. I can do like a middle part, a little one. That's what I'm gonna do. Comb that side back, comb this down. Blow dry that on warm and high. Let me get rid of some of this bump right here. Let me add some powder to the middle part in space. Can you see a track? I mean, it's something right there, but you know, not too much. A little bit of hair down. Honestly, and I think we are done. 10 minutes. Okay. Call me Oprah, okay? She got money, I like that. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look for this one. Nothing crazy, and it's glueless. No glue on my wig whatsoever. If you wanna glue it down and, you know, kinda lay your edges or whatever, you can definitely do that. But out the pack, I'm not mad at how this is looking on me. Could she use a little tweaking? Of course, but am I gonna do it today? No. I wanted to show you this wig pretty much as it was. I did a little pulling like you guys saw, but you know, nothing crazy. I feel like my earrings are not right. Hold up, something is a little off. Maybe it's the eye makeup. I planned on doing another look today and it didn't come out the way that I wanted it to. Blend that in like this. But here's the wig, y'all. No complaints really with this unit. On the stock card, she pretty much gives this. I didn't style mine exactly like the one on the stock card, but I feel like she still gives, you know, the look that she needs to give. So if you want an everyday bob that's easy to style, this one may be the one for you. Again, she has a hard bump though. The bump is bumping, so you may want to loosen that up a bit if you don't want the neck huggers. But other than that, she's not bad. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.